I'm Beverly Boss from KindlyYarn. I want to show you today a couple of Furoshiki wrapping techniques. So here we go. This is a 50 by 50 centimetre cloth, very finely woven, so it's knots really nicely. We either sell them or you can go to a local charity shop, pick one up, or pick up a headscarf, and that'll be absolutely perfect. So really simple, just wrap it over, similar to how you would do with paper gift wrap. Same this side and tuck it under. Just gather up these a little bit neatly as you do them. So you've got your outside of the material showing where the pretty pattern is. And then just a simple knot. As you're trying to kind of knot it here, just try and make sure that when you do the bow, the pattern side is kind of showing when you kind of pull out these little ends here. Spread them out a little bit, make sure it's tucked in nicely, and there we go, a lovely gift. Really simple, no sellotape, no scissors, and best of all, whoever gets this scarf can reuse it.